There was a student of mine who came to me for a very short period of time, and he was always talking about becoming a civil servant by giving the Indian Administrative Service or the State Public Service Commission exam or the Indian Police Service. And he was talking to me almost on a daily basis that my dream is to become a public servant, my dream is to change the condition of the nation, change the condition of the city, to elevate the poverty. One exam passed away and he did not qualify. So when I inquired with him as to what happened, he said, well, I didn't qualify for the theory exam. I said, why you didn't qualify? How much time did you spend? Well, I actually don't get much time to study and spend for preparing for the exam. And it is at that time, while counseling to this particular student, I said the most proven step towards success is to get out there and try. The most proven step towards success is to get out there and try. And so therefore, sweetheart, let me tell you, you haven't tried at all. You have just dreamt like Sheikh Chilli. And only dreaming is not going to help you, or only making a plan is not going to help you. You have to actually actualize those plans, implement those plans. You have to get there right on the field and try for it. Try for it. You are likely to fail for a couple of times, or if you try very hard consciously in a disciplined manner, then probably you could make it up in a very first attempt. Now, this conversation actually did pinch to my students, and he said, well, you could have shared this with me in front of why did you share this with me in front of everybody? You could have told me this in when just two of us were present. I said, you asked me and you have been sharing your dream in front of everybody, so there is nothing wrong in asking you and giving you the piece of advice in front of everybody. Well, it hurt him. Sooner he left my group, but a year later he came back with a box of sweet, and as any Indian student would do, he touched my feet and said, thank you very much. This time I not only qualified, but I actually clinched it, and so I am now a public servant. This was obviously a very happy moment for me and happy moment for my student. And then he told me that had you not told me on that day that the most proven step towards success is to get out there and try, it did pinch me on that day, but then I realized I must prove you wrong, that I'm not trying, and so I did try. And because I did try, I got the expected results. So that's my first quote of a day, that the most proven step towards success is to get out there and try. Now many will ask, why do you try and why we have to try? And here is my second rationale or second thought, that destiny is created by the steps you take. Simply by planning, dreaming, sketching, verbalizing, destiny will not come into reality. So destiny is shaped every day. Destiny is created every day by the actions of yours, by the steps that you take. And therefore, those of us who believe in destiny must first of all keep in mind that nobody else but you alone will be able to create your destiny, shape your destiny. And you can only shape your destiny if you take steps every now and then towards shaping your destiny. So destiny is created by the steps you take. So in shaping your success, in shaping your destiny, all that matters is your action. The steps that you take, the activities that you do. How sincerely you do it will determine the degree of your success or a degree of your dream destiny that you can achieve.